All right, I got a good size package in the mail today, guys. What is it? What is in the box? What's in the Yankee box? That's what today's video is, guys. Hello, everyone, and welcome back once again. I am Silver Britches, and in today's video, guys, I got the Yankee box in the mail, but it's not what I thought it was going to be. I thought the package was extremely light compared to the past videos where people were putting a lot of silver, different, gold pieces in there. And I watched Silver Torch's last video and I seen what he packaged into the box, and it looks like it should weigh more. And then of course I opened it up, went and looked inside, and guess what, guys? You're not gonna believe this. That's right. It is empty. Empty box, guys. So yeah, I mean, it was it's pretty disheartening. All I got was this box with some lint and some hair right there. That's I don't know what to do now. I'm just kidding, guys. That's all right there. Um, but seriously, I'm very, very thankful to participate in the Yankee box. Oh my goodness. And it's just a great, great thing to do for the community. It really is a fantastic, fantastic, you know, way, what's going on with this. It's just really a great, idea of being able to give all this stuff away to you guys. And that's what the spirit of the Yankee box is. And, there were some, there was a bad apple that kind of ruined it a little bit, took a little bit of the luster off of it. But that's okay, guys. We're going to make it better with each and every stop as it goes. So it's only about halfway into the process right now. So it's only going to get better from here. Now, I don't want to really go through all the various stuff that's in here. Of course, you got a bunch of copper right here. You got some various weird items right there with some, different things. You got the gold assay bar right here that was put in there. You got some junk silver quarters right there. There is some piece dollars in this one right here, and there's some half dollars in here. Of course, the gold is still in here. I will show you. Yep, still in there, guys. So let's see. You got the round from Silver Torch. I'm not touching that. I think Yankee should get that because Yankee is a big fan of Silver Torch. So hopefully that makes it all the way back to him and he can add that to his collection. Now, what also is Torch put in some nice items. They're all right here. I'm going to take one of Torch's stickers. I'm going to go through all the stickers right over here, the different swag from the different channels. I'm going to take a Yankee stack them out of there, and I'm going to add some of my stickers to the box too, guys. So whoever gets it, I don't know if it's going to be one winner take all or if he's going to break it down to multiple winners. I kind of want to look forward to seeing the end process. I know it's a lot of silver that's going to go to one person, so a little bit of gold, hopefully. But there's not a whole lot of stuff that I would like to take out of here. There is a lot of generic stuff. There's like, one or two silver eagles in here. I want to say 2 silver eagles in here. As you guys know, the price of silver eagles, it's hard for me to justify putting some in there. Otherwise I would. But I will put some premium stuff in here because I think this box is lacking some premium stuff. So I will put some premium stuff in here. But I'll go ahead and tell you what I'm going to take. I'm going to take, because I don't have one, is this assay office. I'm going to take this round with me. Okay, so that's 1 ounce. And I don't have an Engelhard bar. So it's another ounce. I'm going to take that with me also. So yeah, I have my eye on this. And I have my eye on that assay round. So I'm going to take those 2 ounces and I'm going to replace them with some premium stuff, okay? And the first items that I'm going to replace them with are these 2 right here. and it's going to equal an ounce. But here's some poured silver from Mutiny Metals. I'm going to add that. That's 1 ounce. And I'm also going to add this 1 ounce bar right here. So there's 2 ounces right there I'm going to add. That's going to take up for the 2 ounces that I'm taking. Okay. Plus I'm going to add some nice pieces. Okay. The first one is going to be, let's get some hair in there. First one is going to be a privy. It's going to be the 2018 dog privy. This one's going to go to you guys. All right. So I'm going to put that right there. And then I'm also going to add this one right here. This is a 2 ounce White Lion of Mortimer. So this is going in, okay? So, and I'm also going to add another 2 ounce. And this is going to be the Black Bull of Clarence. So, adding some premium stuff in here because I think it's really lagging. Some premium bullion in here, guys. So, hopefully, along the way, we can get, some more premium stuff to add to this box to really make it pop. You know what I mean? So that's 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 ounces going into the box. All right. Hopefully that is going to be good enough. Hope you like it, guys. Remember, you need to subscribe to every one of the channels that is going to be participating in the Yankee Box to be eligible. And you also have to you have to comment on Yankee's video where he brought out that he was going to be doing this box. I will put those down in the description below so you guys can go ahead and take care of that and get entered. And hopefully it gets to him by the end of the summer. So I think it's going to run through Georgia pretty quick. The mailing is working pretty good. I got this within a couple days from Torch, and he's all the way down in the Keys. So it's going to Lady Bullion next. So stay tuned, and we'll make sure you guys hit her up. And I have a feeling she's going to put a lot of copper in there. I don't know. Something's just telling me that. So anyway, you got 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 ounces going in and 2 ounces coming out. All right, guys. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And keep grinding on your stack.